Yikes, what's the hype? This is something light. Yikes, out of town.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another unboxing. As the title says below, I will be unboxing my new 14-inch Neewer ring light. Funny story, well, serious story. I just dropped my camera right before I started filming this. I almost had a heart attack. I don't know if the case that I have kind of saved it, or it wasn't that bad of a fall from where I got it sitting, but I almost died. So anyway, I had the 18-inch in my cart from Amazon, about to get ready to purchase, and I said, well, let me go look on YouTube one more time, get some reviews for the 18-inch, and I ended up running across a guy and his kid. I don't know their YouTube channel name, but if you was to Google 14-inch ring light compared to 18-inch ring light, it will come up. So that's what I ended up reviewing, and he was saying how he had the 18-inch ring light but took it back to get the 14-inch ring light because the 14-inch ring light was way more convenient, and that's what I kind of want, convenient. I don't really need no big ass light like that, so convenient is better for me. Plus I like to travel, so, and he was saying how it was easy to bring with him when he was traveling. Even in the airport, he was able to bring it on as a carry-on bag. So yeah, that's why I ended up going with the 14-inch. So let's get started. Like I said, I did order this from Amazon. Of course, everyone knows that Amazon shipping is fast, especially if you have Amazon Prime. Y'all, I have the clips in my head, and that's because I just finished washing my hair and twisting it up. And the clips is to help it keep my roots down for a little while, and I sat on the dryer for a little second. And I had rollers on the end, but I took that off. I was gonna leave them, but I said, nah, I should go ahead and take them off. Okay, so it's a box inside of another box. So this is it. My ring light. I hope this is not hard to put together, because I don't really like reading the instructions, because I have to sit, think about it, think some more and read some more. I'm excited. I've been wanting a ring light, not only just for YouTube, for picture taking, because if you go on my Instagram, which will be down below, I like to take pictures, and now I don't like taking them with my phone. I take them with my camera, my Canon G7x. Okay, this is, let's go to that, man. Let me go here for that. Wow, look. Okay, it comes in this black bag that says Neewer. This is very cute. Then it has the charger cables. Something else in here. And this is maybe the cell phone mount. It's one or the other. And this is the clicker, the wireless clicker. Your Bluetooth remote shutter is the correct name that they have, but this is it. Toss it over there. And if you go to my videos, I just uploaded an unboxing of my MacBook. I haven't stopped messing with that yet. Okay, so in the bag, I don't know how to put this up. Comes the ring light. Then it has the blades. This is the orange one, which I think is for the warm settings, and this is the white one, which is for the white light settings, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know what this is. Oh, a thank you. And this is the instructions. Wah, wah, wah. God, I don't feel like reading this. Spanish. Don't seem hard though. All kind of languages. Okay. You're gonna fold over to the English side. The side that I know. Okay, so it came with the black bag. So when I am traveling, I will be able to stick it in my bag. Hopefully all that stuff goes in there. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, so let's start trying to put this here together. Let's start with the tripod. If I break a nail trying to open this box, I'm gonna die because I cannot get to no nail shop. No, I cannot. There. Okay. All right. Okay. Just do it, Shavonda. Bingo. I knew I'd get it. So what you had to do was take the legs, because they come up like this, push them all the way down, which it says that I skipped that step and went straight to the next one. But we have okay, so got this part. They got that on. Okay, so I got that on, but let me see if I can. go with this song because this is too. Okay, so I ain't trying to break it. Let me see. I'll be back here by my wig after a while. Okay, so this is that. And like I said, it comes with the that be. Comes with the with the light. So this is this. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the lights on. Y'all, that was, I don't think it was that hard. I think I made that difficult. Gee whiz. What mirror? Color? No, I guess if you want to put. So yeah, okay. With the plates, all you're doing is snapping it on, snap. I think that was the easiest thing to do. So let's go ahead and snap the top on, snap. Wait. Okay, so that's on. I'm going to keep the instructions because you just never know. That, this is trash. That is trash. Okay, so I'm going to turn. Fuck. Shit just got to be fucking difficult. I swear. They don't make shit easy. They don't make shit easy to do no more. That's for damn sure. Plug that in. Hook that up. Now. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the lights off, dim the lights, and I'm gonna turn the light. And I'm gonna turn the light off so you can see the different. Ooh, I look pretty. See the different settings. Okay, so I don't have the camera into the light. I just have it facing me, but you can see this is dim. Whoa. That gets bright. This is with it on its highest. range. Guys, this would be great.
Actually,
this is
that was
game-changing.
not the highest light.
So I'm gonna
Sorry.
dim it, turn that off. Okay, so I switched blades. I took off the white light. I'm actually in the dark. Okay, so now I'm about to show you how it looks with the warm setting. This is the warm setting. This is on its lowest thing. Wow. And this is on its highest. I just snapped that in right. But yeah, I really like that as well. Yeah. Oh shit. I didn't even have it up as high as I thought I did. So yeah, this is the highest it go with the warm setting. Yeah, I really do think this was a good purchase. Yeah, other than that, that is all I have left to unbox with this. Like I say, it comes with the remote thing, and it also comes with the cell phone mount, which when I need to just take pictures, I'll probably just taking it with the cell phone, maybe, but I like my camera. So, but that's the end of this unboxing. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Other than that, please like and subscribe. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.